The SEC is not backing down in its legal battle with Ripple, taking significant steps in its appeal to challenge the court's previous ruling, as new filings hit the Second Circuit's appellate system. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has made notable progress in its ongoing lawsuit against Ripple Labs by officially filing its appeal in the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit. This development marks a pivotal step as the SEC seeks to overturn parts of the previous ruling that favored Ripple, especially after Judge Analisa Torres' landmark decision in August 2024. According to defense lawyer James K. Filan, the SEC's appeal has been docketed into the Public Access to Court Electronic Records (PACER) system, an official record for federal cases within the Second Circuit. Filan, a known figure in the legal community surrounding crypto regulation, shared this update on X, confirming that the case is now in the appellate court system under docket number 24 to 2648, with the title United States Securities and Exchange Commission versus Ripple Labs Incorporated. The case has been actively tracked since its inception on December 22, 2020, and is now moving forward for appellate review, following the final judgment from Judge Torres in August 2024. Despite dropping its charges against Ripple executives Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson, the SEC has still included them as defendant appellees in its appeal. The filing in the Second Circuit marks the official start of the appellate review process, which will now allow the court to assess whether Judge Torres' ruling was flawed. Ripple had secured a major victory earlier this year when the court ruled that XRP's programmatic sales did not constitute securities transactions under U.S. law. This was a significant blow to the SEC's broader efforts to regulate cryptocurrencies under the existing securities framework. Interveners in the case, represented by attorney John Deaton, include notable XRP community members Jordan Deaton, James Lamont, Tyler Lamont, and Rosalind Layton, who have long been active in defending Ripple's stance in the crypto space. Ripple, on the other hand, remains optimistic about its chances in the appellate process. CEO Brad Garlinghouse has expressed confidence that Ripple will ultimately emerge victorious for the benefit of the XRP community and the wider cryptocurrency industry. Stuart Aldarity, Ripple's chief legal officer, reiterated this confidence on X, emphasizing that Ripple will continue to demonstrate that the SEC's lawsuit is both misguided and irrational. Aldarity further pointed to the SEC versus Govil case, where the Second Circuit dismissed the SEC's arguments as unpersuasive and without merit. This precedent, Ripple believes, strengthens its own chances of success. If the appellate court upholds Judge Torres' decision, it would be a monumental victory for Ripple and the broader cryptocurrency ecosystem. A favorable ruling could potentially establish legal clarity around XRP and similar digital assets, providing a much-needed regulatory framework for the industry. However, the appeal process could extend well into 2025, leaving the final outcome uncertain for some time. While the SEC pushes forward with its appeal, Ripple is steadfast in its belief that the courts will ultimately rule in its favor. As the case progresses, the outcome could have significant ramifications for the future of cryptocurrency regulation in the United States. So, that's the update for now. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.